Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a strawberry. So let's get started. First, draw a curve down and outwards. Slowly and stop at here. Then draw outwards and downwards. Now we will draw the leaf. Just following with me. Slowly and the middle here too. Now draw the eyes, big round circle, inside with a small circle, and the another smaller circle. Then draw the details inside. Slowly and trim line inside. Here too. Draw the mouth here. Now we will draw the seed. Draw some seeds here. Slowly now we have a strawberry. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.